Okay, on this deck we have a customer that was just tired of doing the maintenance that would occur every 2 to 3 years. So we decided to replace the deck top with Envision Distinction decking. One requirement with this decking is we need 16-inch on center, so you see that the guys are infilling with new treated joists. So we're taking care of that. Also, if there was any rot at this time, we would take care of that. And once the subframe is ready, with the new joists and any rot replaced, we're ready to start installing the new decking. This is a premium composite decking that gives a realistic look. You get texture and wood grain and multicolor, and in my opinion, the best looking decking on the market. Envision Distinction comes with a 25-year warranty from the manufacturer. On this deck we had to pull down the railings, and so you see my guys putting the railings back up. The railings were just in the way for the installation.